It finally happened. The official Galaxy S26 Ultra leak just dropped, and not from some random source, but from Andy Boyer himself, the face behind TT Technology. He posted a short but powerful video that's now spreading across the entire tech world. The visuals are clean, the specs are bold, and the message is simple. Samsung's next Ultra is going to dominate. The image he shared shows the Galaxy S26 Ultra in that deep matte blue finish, standing confidently with its iconic quad-camera setup. But what's interesting here isn't just the look, it's the numbers. A 6.9-inch 120Hz QHD Plus display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, a 200-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a dual telephoto system with 3x and 5x optical zoom. It's a clear message from Samsung. They're not here to play it safe this time. Even the little things in that post tell a story, like the 5,500 mAh battery, 65-watt fast charging, and that $1,299 price tag. It's expensive, sure, but it's giving real flagship confidence. And when Andy drops something like this, it's not just a rumor. It's usually a glimpse of what's coming straight from the inside. But then, just when everyone was still trying to process this leak, TechDroider came out swinging with something totally different. And honestly, kind of wild. His post showed the Galaxy S26 Ultra in 3 new colors: pink, baby blue, and this fiery orange that just screams premium energy. And the caption? Everybody's a gangsta until the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra steps in. The final boss. That line alone broke the internet. Because he's right. Look at those phones. They don't even look like phones anymore. They look like trophies. The color choices feel fresh and fearless. The pink one gives a soft, luxury vibe, like Samsung is targeting that aesthetic crowd that loves design as much as performance. The blue one looks futuristic and calm, the kind of color that never gets old. And that orange? That's pure confidence. It feels like Samsung finally wants to make the Ultra series fun again, without losing that professional edge.